Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear view mirror on Mercedes W211. Okay, we have probably 200 videos on that vehicle guys, so make sure you check the playlist out if you need any repairs. So now we need to, pry that trim piece there, that lid, okay. So you have to carefully pull it down, okay, like that, it stays there. Don't mess with it anymore. Now you need to pull that button, okay, and let me see now how the button was going out actually. Okay, we'll need to pry it a little bit, but I forgot exactly where it was. So we're going to open the SOS button, and right there you can pry it, okay, and it will come loose. Okay, make sure you close the button after that. Okay, it will come out just like that. We don't need to remove the whole thing. That should be enough now. So now what you guys need to do, you need to grab the mirror, okay, with two hands. Grab it with two hands and pull it down, but careful, okay, because it's gonna come out fast. Okay, so you can see we just release it. We will show you how to install it in a minute. So now we need to release that wire, okay, right there. There is two things holding it, okay, it's out of the way. And now we have the wires, okay guys, for the mirror itself. So what we need to do now, we need to start on bottom, preferably using a plastic tool, okay. You need to pry the clips open, okay, and you can see it has 4 on the bottom, I think a few on top. We will show you in a second where exactly they're where exactly they are located and how to put it together in a minute. And now you guys leave it to hang like that. Next we'll need to remove, okay, this cover right here towards the front of the mirror, okay. Okay, so grab it and pull it straight down. Okay, there is 2 clips, okay, one here and one on the other side. Next there is 2 buttons. Okay guys, let me get the buttons there now. Okay, those black buttons you need to push in and pull the overhead control down. Okay, like that. Now, okay, we have the overhead control down, okay, and we'll be able to disconnect the mirror. Okay, one second, let me hold with one hand here. We're going to disconnect the cable for the rain sensor, okay, press in there, okay, and we'll pull it out. That's the thing that you need to press in. That way we can gain, okay, more room for the wires for the mirror itself. Okay, now we need to remove those wires, okay, and right here it's the tooth. Okay, so just pry it open like that. Okay, one is out. We have one more wire holding there. Okay, this one there. Press in and pull it out. And this, guys, is the mirror. So when you're ready to install it, stay with us and we'll show you in a second how to do that now. So now we need to make sure that we connect all the wires in reverse order that we took them apart, guys. Okay, perfect. This one is in. Next we need to connect this one there. They go only one way, push it in until it clicks. Okay, we have everything good there. Now we need to connect the rain sensor, if you have one. It's actually on the very outside right here. Okay, this one is in. Next, you need to make sure that you clear all the cables. You're going to get in the back first. Okay, and when you do that, you press. Okay, you press in. So you need to get the back side in first, then you're going to push in until it locks. Okay, like that. So now we're going to show you guys how to install the mirror. Okay, and what you need to do, okay, we can actually go ahead and install that switch, but I'll just leave it hanging for now so we can show you just a little bit better how to get the mirror in there. Okay, so this thing with the spring right here is going to go in this part. Okay, you need to make sure that it's right there. Okay, and it's only, okay, check it out, like that, one way that it goes. Okay, now we are going to get extension and a hammer, and you need to tap on it, don't hit it too much. Okay, it got in on one side. Now, oh, on the other one it didn't lock in all the way. Okay. Okay, so it's in. Okay, the mirror is in, really good. Okay, and one thing that we forgot to do, okay, now you need to install that switch, but we need to install that wire as well. Okay, right here, that little wire needs to go in. Okay, right there. It's a little bit limited room, but it's doable even if you forgot to do it. All you have to do is just push it in. And then you can go ahead, push the SOS switch back in place. Okay, perfect, it goes only one way. Next we'll need to install that cover right there and the one on the front. Alright guys, we accidentally clicked the SOS button, so it's communicating now, connecting call. And all we have to do now, okay, we will push that plastic back in. Yep, I know, it's annoying. To make sure that it's locked in place, okay, that's where the clips go. Okay, in these holes right there, in the middle. So you need to make sure you get it right. Okay, so that's how you guys remove and replace the mirror or the overhead control here on that Mercedes. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.